Welcome to our guide on decorating vanities and vanity benches. Today, we'll explore how to transform your space using a variety of components to create a stylish and functional area. Let's start with the basics. The foundation of any vanity setup is the vanity cabinet and countertop. Choose a cabinet that suits your style and storage needs, then complement it with a durable and visually appealing countertop. Next, install the sink basin and faucet. These elements not only serve a practical purpose but also add a touch of elegance to your vanity. Ensure proper alignment and secure installation for functionality. Now, it's time to add some reflection and illumination. Hang a vanity mirror above the countertop to provide a focal point and enhance the aesthetics. Pair it with a lighting fixture that complements the overall design while offering ample brightness for grooming tasks. For added protection and visual interest, consider installing a vanity backsplash. This not only guards against water damage but also introduces texture and color to the space. Choose a material that harmonizes with the rest of your decor. Let's not forget about the details. Install vanity drawer pulls or handles to add a decorative touch and facilitate easy access to storage compartments. Select hardware that complements the style of your vanity for a cohesive look. Depending on your preference, you may opt for a vanity with legs or a sturdy base. These structural components not only provide stability but also contribute to the overall design aesthetic. Choose a style that aligns with your desired look and feel. Utilize vanity shelves to keep your essentials organized and within reach. Arrange items in an aesthetically pleasing manner while ensuring practicality. Consider incorporating baskets or bins for additional storage options. As you can see, decorating vanities and vanity benches involves careful consideration of various components to achieve a harmonious and functional space. By incorporating these elements thoughtfully, you can create a personalized retreat that reflects your style and enhances your daily routine. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.